Morning, how are you and how are you doing today? Alright, I just woke up this morning with a chat from one of my students asking me how can he use Bybit. How can you use Bybit to trade? So quickly, I'll be making a video on that, how to use Bybit to trade or how to navigate through the Bybit exchange. Don't worry, one thing I've come to do is I'm here to solve problems as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. My name still remains Kingsley of the King's Crypto Academy, the number one crypto training center. Alright guys, so let's go for that. This Bybit, I'm going to explain to you how to use Bybit right now. So just open your Bybit. My account is already logged in. I have various accounts, but this account is already logged in on Bybit. This is just one of my accounts, so this one is logged in already. You can have different accounts with different identity, different means of verification as well, depending on the kind of assets you are managing. You can use maybe your younger brother or your younger siblings or your mom's ID to verify another account, depending on the kind of depending on the number of accounts you're managing part time. And you can also have different exchange. You can have Bybit, Binance, you can have KuCoin, you can have Coinbase, you can have different exchange. If you want to have different accounts, if you don't want to have the same exchange with different profile, you can also have different exchange. Here you get, so depending, and you can just have one exchange depending on the number of assets you're managing. You can see this one is one of my accounts, but there's no money here. This is just one of the exchanges. So it's always preferable. So let me quickly say this: it's only preferable having different exchanges. It's always much more preferable. For instance, like what we experienced in Nigeria lately, and an account Binance was banned from using from transacting with NGN, that's Nigerian Naira, directly. So it was really a challenging time for us. So if you are not having Bybit or other exchange, you may find it hard navigating through the ecosystem, through the cryptocurrency market. So now let me quickly tell you how you can use your Bybit. This is my Bybit right now loading. No, normally this is how it will pop up. Let me go back. This is how it will pop up when you open your Bybit. This is what is going to show up immediately. So let me quickly explain to you. Right on the top left hand, what's it called here, you can see your account balance here. This is my current balance, and right here is your profile. I've actually taught this in my HZ class, how to navigate through the Binance exchange. Spend almost 1 hour explaining different things, but this one, maybe the next 20 minutes I should be done with this video. I'll just teach you one or two basic things. Binance and Bybit exchange look almost the same thing, but they are not the same. They just look a little bit alike. So let me explain. This is your profile here. So you can come here now to see your profile. You can see this my profile here, this King's Crypto Academy. You can see the user the UID here. You can see non-VIP main account verified. It's verified ID already. So I've already verified this account. You can see different thing under that. You can see security. If I want to invite friends, that's for referral, to get some referral bonus. I can always go here. You can see demo trading. One benefit of Bybit is that Bybit give you advantage to trade demo accounts. Just like the same way when you're trading Forex, you have opportunity to have your demo trading account on MT5 or MT4 respectively. So you can also have a sub account. You can have like two different accounts connected together. I'm not able to talk on that right now. How to use sub account on Bybit, maybe later in any of my video. I will always talk about that. So you have their help center here and contact support. If you want to reach out to them, you can always click on their help center here, contact support. I don't have any reason reaching out to them. So you can also learn more about Bybit, about us, rate our app, join our community. You can join their community either on Telegram or Twitter or the likes, depending on whatever community platform they provide available. So that's I'm not ready to go to that also. So that's Bybit for you. So these are the things that are on that right, on that left top angle. So the next thing, you right here, you can see, you can search just like the same way I mentioned how to use Binance. You can search here directly any name of any coin you want to search or you want to trade. For instance, maybe I just give a coin in the signal room. Like the student that asked this question was like, oh, I dropped a coin in the signal room yesterday that was short Dodge USD, and that coin did massively well. Student make a lot of profit from it. So I was like, okay, let me just show you. Maybe for the sake of this video, let me just go through my signal room. Although my account is not logged in here directly, but I have it connected to one of my WhatsApp on this phone. Let me just show you. This was the signal room. Sorry, this was the signal room as at yesterday. So I think this was the coin I dropped that the student was asking of. This was the coin, and the coin did excellently well. Student made a lot of money from it. Okay, see the coin here. I dropped this short Dodge USDT. That was yesterday night. Are you getting me? That was yesterday night. And see what the coin was. This was student chatting me up already with their results here. And you can see here, this one chatted up this morning. All target done already. So this guy actually missed out of this coin because of what? Because he didn't know how to use Bybit exchange. So all he just needs to come out, just come here. Come here, search Dodge. When it's searching for Dodge, the next thing that pop out is they're going to show you all the pairs with Dodge. You see, right down here, this is what you need to know. So you can see spots here. That means here, if you are clicking on this Dodge USDT pair, you only tell them that you want to buy Dodge to hold spot holding, spot trading. Well, I've talked a lot about spot trading, how to do spot trading, how to invest in spot trading. A lot of which is on my HZ class. You can always contact me if you want to ask such that my HZ class, just as a token. Not the money is very, very cheap compared to what you actually what you tend to gain. So I said a whole lot on spot trading, which I'm not able to say here right now. So this is where you need to click on if you are going to trade futures. USDT Perpetual, you get Dodge USDT Perpetual. So just click on Dodge USDT Perpetual. That's for futures trading. The other was for spot trading. Then you can see right here showing you long shots. So this via the chart, yeah, but you can go to trade here as well and buy long, sell short, you get. So these are the two things you can always do. Then choose your leverage and the like. So this how to trade using Bybit. This how to trade futures using Bybit. Then we are going to trade spot as well. All you just need is, once you have the name of the coin with you, it can even be something like sand. It might be a coin called sand. So all you just need is come to sand. You see sand spot here. You get this spot trading. In that case now, it's not going to be showing you. It's just going to be showing you buy or sell icon. You get buy or sell. You can see a buy or sell, not long or short. So you can see here this trade, this chart. So if you want to watch the chart for trading, meanwhile this advantage, Binance don't even have this to watch the chart, although except you click on a short icon here. If you are using Binance, you have to click on this kind of icon here in order to be able to see your chart. So but on Bybit, they make it very easy. You can click on the chart side, on the trades chart side of it, so you can see there. And even while doing this, I think you can still see a little chart. Yes, even while about entering the trade, this makes it very easy for traders. About entering the trade, you can still see the chart here, so that at least you can see, okay, maybe it's already at the entry or something. You don't have to go here and come back here. So you can actually make your trade while still watching the chart. So this is what to do. That's on Bybit. So if you are buying to hold, whatever it may be, so just watch out for that. If it was to be on Binance, but I'm to press sand right now, what Binance is going to tell me? Binance is going to tell me many things. They're going to tell me spot trade. They're going to tell me the PS period. They're going to tell me even if it's available for staking, for investment and the likes. So that's what Binance is going to tell me. So that's Bybit for you. So if you want to look at different coins, so any coin you're looking for, just navigate through here. But if you want to search for coin on your own using Bybit, you can always come down here. See, there are 3 icons here. There are like 5 icons here. You can see favorites rather. These are coin on my favorite list. Derivatives, these are coin as far as futures trading is concerned. These are coin I can trade on futures. You can also come down here to see more. You just click down to see more, so see them here, a lot of them here. You can see them here. These are perpetual trading. These are futures trading as well. These are futures still on that same pair, but paired with USDC right now. I get me. You can see inverse here. Just navigate through them different one after the other. You can see option here as well. Bybit allow option. You can also see arbitrage trading here. Bybit allowed that as well. Buy and sell. So this one might be a different class. I'll be taking on a different note. It's kind of an arbitrage trading. Binance also give opportunity for Bybit give opportunity for that. Please don't mind my word. Their names sound like Bybit Binance, and as a matter of fact, they also use the same, what's it called, the same their interface looks more alike. So that's favorite, that's derivative, this spot here. So these are spot trading, all coins on Bybit as far as spot trading is concerned. But let me quickly show you one gem here. Let me quickly show you one secret here. While looking for all the coins under this, you can also look coin categorized based on their function, or on their what's it called right now, on their usage, or on their I'm trying to remember, there's a word I'm trying to remember, but categorize in different category. Let me just use the word in different category. You can see coin under 0 fee right now. Just come here, you see all, but you can see these ones are under 0 fee. That I don't pay 0 fee. They are coin under SOL ecosystem. See coin under SOL. So you're like, okay, yeah, I've been learning about SOL ecosystem. There's money, people are making money on SOL ecosystem. Let me quickly go and trade coin under SOL ecosystem. These are coin under SOL ecosystem. These are coin under ETH ecosystem. These are coin under BTC ecosystem. You can also see them here. BTC ecosystem. You can also see coin under AI. There was a time, I think last 1 month, AI was trending. Virtually all coin under AI was printing out money. Like we were making money massively on it. You can remember, for those who know AI very well, you remember this WLD. You remember NJ prints more than 100% for us. I think the signal made more than 100%. R&D out, I think at the point I did more than 200% for us. A whole lot. You can see modular BSC. These are coin under this pair. You can see Depin, you can see LSD, you can see DeFi, you can see GameFi, you can see inscriptions, you can see Memecoins. Oh, maybe Memecoin did excellently in the last 1 month, massively well. People made not less than 200%, 300% on spot trading with Memecoin. These are top Memecoins. And as well, you can see the money invested in them. You can see their capacity here. This one is worth over $184.99 million. That's as far as on Bybit. That's what. So you can see them. They have been ranked based on the capital invested in them. You can see proof of work here, POW. You can see stable coins here. You can see innovation zone here. You can see ETP here. That's leverage token. These are like their own ETF. I've talked about ETF. I have a full video on ETF right there in the what's it called, right there in the HZ class, a full lecture on on ETF trading. So they call it ETP, yeah, not even ETF right here. You can see margin trading here, you can see launchpool here, you can see launchpad here. All these things I've taught a lot about them. So you have to know which coin is trending for now to know how to peer how to navigate your way around it. There's some coin that at the moment, there was a time, I think last 2 years, the coin that was trending was Meta was coin related to GameFi metaverse project. Are you getting me? Right now the coin trending at the moment is Memecoin, and AI is the one ruling the days as that's today is March 15th 2024. The coins ruling at the moment that are trending at the moment is AI coin and Memecoin. So you have to find out these. All these are things that you may need to get to know as well. So what I'm just explaining is how to use Bybit Exchange. Let me go into a deeper class as well. So on the other hand, you can see right here in front of you, you can see your Bybit N. On that Bybit N are where you can actually find your coin you want to invest in, coin you want to invest your money in. They are under Bybit N, Web3 project, card. You want to use your card rewards up. You can see these as well. Invite friends, copy trading boots, and more. So please, in the description box below, I'm going to drop my referral link for those who want to register Bybit. You can always make use of my referral link. It helps me as well. You end up getting discount on your trade, and also help me personally to get maybe a little token from them, or just to increase my trend with them. So you can also see on Bybit, you can see different news. You want to see news, you want to see what is ongoing, what is trending at the moment. They are all on Bybit as well. Just scroll down a little. Just go for more. You can see different news here. Bybit this, Bybit the P2P N and likes. So also on Bybit, let me show you different announcements. I'm not ready for that for now. I'm not ready for announcements, but let it just close so that I can see them. But I'm not ready to read announcements for now. You can see them categorized, also new listings, latest activity, latest Bybit news, partnership announcements, so many other things. It's not loading fast. We may not be able to wait for it, but you can go through it yourself because of time. So we have to be very, very conscious of time. With videos too long, it ends up losing its value. So also you can see here market. This is market. If you want to go through the market, just like what we did earlier on, you can see spot derivative data, launchpad, leaderboards, favorites, get. You can see them here. These are the markets yourself. So just like what I did earlier on, you can also see derivatives. This is basically on futures trading, get. So you want to check your trade, your ongoing trade. You can actually check your ongoing trade here to know what's happening, and what the ones that you have assets on, or the one that is running at the moment. So you can only see that as well. So then assets, this is where you find all your tokens, your money, what you have in your wallet. So these are under assets as well. So let me just flip through the assets to you and show you where you can find a P2P exchange if you want to trade P2P on Bybit and the likes. So I'll just flip through that. So these are my assets. This is the asset I'm having here. You can see deposit here. If I'm depositing, if I'm withdrawing, if I'm transferring, if I'm converting, if I'm doing giveaway, if I'm collecting my giveaway, whatsoever it may be. These are unified, these are funding. Like if you just fund your wallet right now through Bybit, your money through P2P, your money is going to be here. If your money, this one is my unified, this one is on spot trading, this one is on funding. That's the money that entered through my P2P, or the money I'm about selling out via P2P. And this one is inverse derivative. This is my futures account. So some people are saying, if on Binance, if you want to transfer, if you just want to transfer money from your spot to futures, it's very easy. But this one is saying inverse derivative. Inverse derivative on Bybit means futures. So that's what they mean as well. So for instance, if you want to bring in money, you can deposit money to your Bybit account. You can still use NGN, it's available. You can see P2P, you can see deposit via crypto. If you are depositing via crypto, that's when you want to copy your crypto wallet address, P2P trading, buy with crypto and the like. So you can see that here. And also you can convert, you can also withdraw. You can also click on withdraw. If you want to withdraw money out of your wallet, maybe transfer to another wallet or another exchange, so just click on withdraw as well. The same thing is applicable. I'm being very careful that this video does not spend more than 20 minutes, so that you can all get the truth very fast and without wasting much of your time. So the same thing withdraw is gonna process the same way. What's it called? The same way that you can see here, I'm withdrawing any crypto asset, it's actually trying to load. And if it's a fiat currency I'm withdrawing, that way I may go through P2P. I get me. So this crypto, I think, is the network challenge you're having. I should have connected the Wi-Fi. But nevertheless, let's just continue. We don't really have much time. So these are the crypto assets. You can always search here. Maybe I want to withdraw USDT. I can just say USDT is what I want to withdraw. Let me search for my USDT here. Then it's going to bring up my USDT, the one I'm having. My balance on the USDT is going to pop up as well. So that I'll be able to know, okay, this is the one I'm withdrawing. So it's the network challenge. Normally should have popped up earlier than this. It's network challenge, sorry. You can reload the page. Okay, you can see it's popping up. Or these are fiat. These are crypto asset as well. It's okay. Yeah, see it here now. So it's popping up. I think I click hide zero balance. That's why it's not popping up. So don't click hide zero balance so you can see them. Anyone you are withdrawing, but I don't actually have assets, so I'm not withdrawing anything. So once your money arrives your funding wallet, I want to use it for your futures trading, just like what we did in Binance. Sorry. You can always come to transfer here to transfer your money from any of the exchange you are from any of the accounts you are transferring to, either from funding to inverse derivative or from inverse derivative to funding or spot. You can always do that right here. So guys, this is what I just want to explain to you on how to use Bybit. You can see them here, how to transfer, just like the same way it's on Binance. One good thing about Bybit is that Bybit is easy to navigate, just like the same way Binance is easy to navigate. So guys, I'll be stopping right here. And this is Kingsley of the King's Crypto Academy, your number one crypto mentor. And this is number one of the best crypto academy in Nigeria. And it's trending all over everywhere. You hear KCA. This is KCA. We're also into forex trading. We're also into shares and stocks. But basically, what we're dishing out right now is on crypto content. So, and you can always join our signal room. It's one of the best signal room you can find anywhere. It's one of the best signal room. You can see the results. Just flip through it, see the results over and over again at a very token amount. We are also giving out discount at the moment. If you are joining, you can just chat me up directly, send a DM to me, either use my you can drop a comment below if you want to join the signal room. I'm going to reach out to you, or possibly just use the Telegram link t.me KC_King. It's also you can just reach out to me directly. If you're joining the signal, you can see the results. You can see massive results here, guys. I'm just flipping through this for you so that you can see different results of different of our trades, and you can see them massively on profit. And let me just read some of them to you, if time will permit me. Okay, I mistakenly posted a wrong content here, a wrong address, so that's why I deleted it. You can see student profit here. You can see student profit here. Ready for the next signal. You can see here. You can also go to our Telegram channel to see a lot of our results, a lot of our trading results. Okay, these are the one I posted lately. I think I posted this coin, and this coin did excellently on our Telegram signal room. What I had done already, you can see it here. You can see it. That's what I took done. I'm trying to look for some of our spot trading signals that I dropped, and they delivered massive profits. Okay, let me just flip through up again. Okay, this is March 5. Let me just flip through. There are some of them up, and you can just go to our Telegram channel. That's KCA Crypto, the Crypto Academy channel. When you get there, you can always find a lot of our trading results. I remember when I dropped all this coin for students to buy AI, and this coin did more than 100. Some of them did more than 200%, some more than 300%. I'm just trying to find, at times flipping through thing cannot be that. Can be that hard a little. This R&D out here that I told you about earlier on that I took down. It gave us a lot of money. And I'm just finding some. Let me just show you some results. What's my time? Okay, I have just 2 minutes more. But guys, just flip through it yourself. Pause, play, rewind. You can always find them. I remember when I dropped this coin, and it delivered more than 300%. I also posted the results here. A whole lot, guys. So please just flip through it, pause and play, or go to the Telegram channel so that you can easily find it. I wish this is the phone I was using to be rather easy, but it's not really easy navigating through here. This is not my main account. This is just paired with my main account. So guys, that's what I want to teach you on P2P trading. And you can also join our HZ class. A whole lot of package are waiting in the HZ class. Just go through this YouTube channel right now and see benefit of joining crypto HZ class. You see a video teaching about many things. Explain many things you'll be benefiting. You'll be learning a whole lot of things about airdrop, about a whole lot. I just have to learn right here. KCA is the number one crypto academy. Send a DM if you want to join any of our masterclass, and we can grant you of the best value, best offer ever, best value, best offer ever right here in KCA. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. God bless.